If you 3D print these, then you'll never have to go to the store again. 5 life-changing 3D prints you need to make. Why do you keep wasting your money buying zip ties when you can print unlimited zip ties at home for free? This is a new design by Best Codes. You can pick it up in my link tree. And what I like about these, they're reusable. Now you don't need pliers or anything crazy like that. Now watch this, ready? All you do is just push it in, pull it through like a normal zip tie. Oh, I love that sound, listen. And if you want to release it, all you do is put your finger right there in that little hook, give it a little pull. And it's as easy as that. Now look at that, no bends or creases or anything. And this thing's actually durable. If you own an RV, you know you go through a lot of zip ties. I mean, that's just a thing. And so it's so handy to have these at home. You can print them for super cheap too. I printed all of these on one build plate with barely any filament. It's crazy. The next item is definitely something that could save your life. This tiny print could actually keep you from losing your life-saving medication. Check out this 3D print. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a pill holder. And not just any pill holder, it's a portable pill holder. If you want to put your vitamins in here or your life-saving pills, all you do is fill it up, connect it to your keychain, or put it in your pocket, your luggage, whatever. And it's so tiny as well, and it fits so many. It's nice and snug too. I actually had to give it a lot of force to pull it out like that. Look at the design on it. It's so beautiful. I love the way it reflects in that really fine pattern. Very nice. Need to make a point? This life-changing print will make sure nobody misses it. Check out this useful 3D print. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a pointer stick. Right here, I want this, I want this. But this is such an easy print and it looks so cool. And look at that, you can just be like, boop, boop, boop. Tap your neighbor like, hello, I need some help. Can you tell me what they said? Your scrub daddy deserves a proper home. This life-changing 3D print will definitely solve that problem. It's a holder for your scrub daddy or your scrub mommy. I think it's so funny looking. Now watch. All you do is insert and stick it right through. And now you got a neat little place to put your sponge. And what I like about this is you can print it in any color. You can add some googly eyes right there. You could put it in the kitchen or maybe the RV, and it just looks nice and neat. Check it out. Love it. Last but definitely not least, we have my favorite print of all of these useful prints up next. Ta-da! The most useful print. Can you guess what it is? Hold on one second. Check it out. Look how awesome this thing is. This is a clamp to hold your bags. Now let me show you real quick. All you do is take this vise, you stick it on the edge of your table, and then you go ahead and tighten it. Then you slide your bag in like this. Put it around the edges like that. And you can even tie it right here. And now you have a nice place to store your trash. You can even use it in the kitchen if you want to chuck corn. It's so easy and it's hands-free, super legit. This actually holds a lot. And then when you're done with it, you just take the trash off, pack it away, and it's ready to roll. So let me know down in the comments, what do you think of these useful prints? Are they life-changing? As always, you can find all the files featured in my video in the link in my bio.